Around 100 million years ago, there was a time when dinosaurs, the largest creatures to ever roam the earth, ruled the land. The scenery was vastly different from today, with no trace of humans, just nature and these fierce beasts in control. These animals stood taller than today's tallest buildings, and their jaws were so powerful they could shatter human bones in an instant. To put it simply, they were the most dangerous and terrifying creatures the world had ever known. For over 170 million years, these creatures reigned supreme. But then, one day, something happened that wiped them from the face of the earth forever. What exactly happened on that day, and why did these creatures vanish from the world for good? In 1677, a man named Robert Plot found a massive fossilized bone buried in the ground. He assumed it was a bone from a large ancient human, unaware that he had discovered something that would leave the world astonished and mystified. Time passed, and 142 years later, in 1819, a British fossil hunter named William Buckland was conducting research in various areas of England. During his research, he unearthed a fossil of a gigantic creature buried for millions of years. Buckland carefully excavated the fossil and began his study, and 5 years later, he coined the name Dinosaur. Dinosaur was derived from Greek, where dino means terrible and saurus means lizard. This was the turning point after which thousands of species of dinosaurs were discovered from fossils buried underground. The fossils found were so enormous and terrifying that they shocked the world. Megalosaurus was the first dinosaur species ever discovered. Initially, rough sketches of these animals were made, which looked quite different from the way we envision them today. But as research progressed, these sketches were modified, and eventually a final appearance was formed, which is now widely accepted. To this day, over 10,000 dinosaur fossils have been discovered, identifying over 900 different species, with new discoveries adding to this number each year. On average, about 45 new dinosaur species are discovered every year. In 2021, several unique dinosaur species were found, including one with a blade-like tail called Stegosaurus elengasen. Scientists estimate that the first dinosaur appeared on Earth around 230 to 240 million years ago, as the oldest fossil discovered so far is about 230 million years old. The land was vastly different back then. The continents we know today were connected as a single supercontinent called Pangaea. The climate was dry with minimal rainfall, and this period was known as the Triassic period. During this period, the first dinosaurs started appearing, small in size, measuring just 2 to 4 feet tall. However, by the end of the Triassic period, 201 million years ago, these small dinosaurs were replaced by larger and more ferocious dinosaurs. Around 201 million years ago, a sudden climate change caused Pangaea to split into two land masses, ending the Triassic period. 6 million years later, a new era began, known as the Jurassic period, which spanned from 201 to 145 million years ago. This was the time when a wide variety of dangerous and diverse dinosaurs populated the Earth. These dinosaurs were massive, weighing thousands of kilograms. During the Jurassic period, a new kind of dinosaur capable of flying emerged, called Archaeopteryx. This dinosaur was about 3 to 4 feet tall and was first discovered in 1861. Over time, the Jurassic period ended, ushering in a new era called the Cretaceous period. According to scientists, the Cretaceous period spanned from 145 to 66 million years ago, during which the population of dinosaurs continued to increase at a rapid pace, introducing new species like raptors, armored dinosaurs, herbivores, carnivores, and Titanosaurus. Among these, Argentinosaurus, weighing 70 tons, is the largest dinosaur discovered so far, and Tyrannosaurus rex, the most famous dinosaur that Hollywood movies frequently depict, also existed during this period. The T-Rex had one of the most powerful jaws of any animal, capable of tearing through anything in moments. In addition to dinosaurs, grass began to grow on Earth around 70 million years ago during the Cretaceous period, while other types of plants, flowers, and trees existed earlier. One particular dinosaur that appeared in this era could run at a speed of 80 to 90 kilometers per hour. This dinosaur, known as ornithomimids, was discovered on June 30th, 1879, and resembled today's ostrich. It could grow up to 20 feet in length and weigh between 200 to 250 kilograms. The Cretaceous period also saw the arrival of the largest flying dinosaur, Quetzalcoatlus, which measured up to 36 feet with a weight of 300 to 350 kilograms, making it the largest and most fearsome flying dinosaur. During the Cretaceous period, everything seemed normal. Dinosaurs continued to thrive, and the climate was ideal, maintaining a peaceful environment. But then, 66 million years ago, one day, something happened that turned this tranquility into chaos. Dinosaurs were roaming, some asleep while others were feeding, when suddenly a bright light appeared in the sky, growing larger with time. Then, out of nowhere, something happened that wiped dinosaurs off the Earth forever. A massive asteroid, about 10 to 15 kilometers wide, crashed into Earth. This asteroid struck with a speed of 20 kilometers per second, landing in the region of present-day Mexico. The impact created a crater 180 kilometers wide and released energy a billion times more powerful than the atomic bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. This impact raised Earth's temperature to 1,200 degrees Celsius, incinerating dinosaurs. The ground heated up, sending clouds of hot dust into the atmosphere that rained down like fire. The impact triggered shock waves and heat pulses across the land, igniting fires over thousands of kilometers and burning millions of trees and plants. After ruling the Earth for millions of years, dinosaurs vanished due to this asteroid impact, paving the way for new life on Earth. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.